Are you a puppet being pulled by the strings of others? The Quran warns against blindly following the crowd, stating that obeying most people on earth will lead you astray from God's path because they follow only assumption and guess. A similar verse says that if you obey most of those on earth, they will misguide you far from Allah's way. This message encourages individuals to think for themselves and not just follow what the majority does, as the masses can be misguided. And if you obey most of those upon the earth, they will mislead you from the way of Allah. They follow not except assumption, and they are not but misjudging. This verse emphasizes that the majority's opinion isn't necessarily the truth and can lead one away from the righteous path. It advises against making decisions based on popular opinion or trends, as they are often based on speculation rather than genuine knowledge. Stop being a wolf, wanting to become part of the pack. Be a lion or a lioness, hunt alone.